It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in our kitchen. Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! What better way to get into the holiday spirit than decorating the cutest sugar cookies ever? Today, my little helpers are joining me to bake some festive magic. We're not just baking cookies, we're creating eatable masterpieces. The process? Oh, it's already underway. First up, we cream the butter and sugar because let's be real, every good cookie starts with a little sweetness. Then came the egg, vanilla, a pinch of salt for balance, of course, baking powder, and finally the flour. Once everything was beautifully mixed, we roll it out and pop it into the fridge for a chill session, minimum for 30 minutes. Because great cookies take a little patience, right? Stay tuned because things are about to get messy, creative, and oh so delicious. Let's make some holidays memories, one sugar cookie at a time. Christmas magic, sugar, and a sprinkle of drama? Yep, baking with kids is always an adventure. This way is such a fun activity to do at home. Perfect for boosting their creativity, teaching patience, and let's be real, adding a pinch of chaos. But hey, these are the moments they'll remember, the laughter, the mess, the frosting fights. It's all part of Christmas spirit, and it's safe to say we've captured it all for at least this year. Alright, okay. And after all the mixing, rolling, chilling, both the dough and ourselves, and decorating with the maximum enthusiasm, ta-da! Our beautiful cookies are finally here! Crafted by none other than our very own mini master chef. So, What are you waiting for? Try this recipe, embrace the chaos, and make some sweet memories with your family and loved ones. Wishing you all the next holiday cheer and see you next time. Bye!